So let's run then our query. We'll call this loop, as that is what we will be obtaining from this query, and we're going to give this the corresponding parameters. You can read more about the parameters you can use in this link over here. So firstly, I just want to specify the categories, and we're going to feed it with a list of categories, the one we just created. Posts per page, I just want this to be 4 maximum, and I want the post not to be equal to my current post, because that would be really bad if we just saw the same post that we're reading as a suggested post. So this is how we avoid posts that are in a certain that have a certain ID. You can specify many IDs in here, and we'll just order these in a way that's random. So this will give us the loop that we're looking for. Now, if there are posts in this loop, and we check that by doing the loop have posts. So if we have posts, then we are interested in running an iteration, and we're also interested in adding something to the title that will say related posts, and then let's just do a line break, open a list, and now we're going to iterate. So until this has no more posts, we're going to retrieve each one of them. We're using this special loop object, and the first thing we do is get the current post. When you run this line of code, the global variables that keep the information of the current post will be saving this post's information. So, for instance, if I run get the ID below, it will not get the ID of the current post of the page, but of this post. There's the complete list of template tags that you can use. You can get them from here. Let me just show you in the browser real quick. See how we get, so how we have all these different options that you can use. So the thing we'll be adding to the content is an element for the list, right? So we want to show all the list elements like this. It's all the links. That's the information of the link of the post. So as you can see, that's here. The permalink somewhere here. Let's just make sure. Permalink. The permalink. There you go. The permalink. And the title. And after having done a query, well, after having run the list, we also want to close the list. And after having run this query, you also need to reset it so that those things will not remain in the global scope. So now we can reload this, and we have our related posts. I have previously activated the plugin, as you can see. So just to summarize, when you want to retrieve posts from the database, you have to use the query, WP query, and you can use different parameters just to get the things you need. And then just to get each one of the posts, you have to iterate through the loop, following these steps here.